Lost my love, lost my life. I can't find them anymore. And if there's something I could give, I would have given it before now. 'Cause I came back a little broken. Things don't feel.
When we first started thinking about working with the Gold Coast project for homeless youth, the first thing that got our attention was a number. Every night in the Gold Coast, 3,000 people sleep in the street, and 800 of them were young people. So you don't see that every day. It's like some sort of hidden reality. But then suddenly, after the first day, everything changed. The first 8 people that we started working with, they stopped being a number, and they became people. They had their own stories. They had stuff to tell.
The Gold Coast Project for Homeless Youth is an organisation that provides accommodation to homeless young people, and we also in that run a life skills program. So it's about re-engaging them in the community, whether that's education, employment, to help them learn the things they need to, so that when they leave our organisation, hopefully they're transitioning into independent accommodation and won't find themselves homeless.
One of the first premises of the workshop was for them to have a camera and take that with them. Going out and do whatever you want. Something that we were thinking we were going to achieve in a couple of hours, then we end up doing it in 4 days, and going there more than 10 times and spending a whole month in backs and forwards with them. Because there is no way you can understand a group of people if you don't spend time with them. And then each person will develop a plan, create a photo essay about that subject. So it was really interesting to see that development, to see an idea going from a few words, few sentences, and those sentences becoming photos.